Right now, former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko has now moved to the East Africa Court of Justice in a fresh attempt to remain on the ballot for August 9th. Sonko's move follows a decision by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission to revoke his clearance certificate to run for governor in Mombasa. The IEBC had cited the Supreme Court decision that upheld Sonko's impeachment as Nairobi governor back in 2020. NTV's Kevin Mutai has the latest on Sonko's defiance and the race against time.
Only 21 days to the August 9th general election, Mike Sonko is fighting the clock as he seeks to remain on the ballot in the Mombasa gubernatorial race. The former Nairobi governor has now taken the unusual step of moving to the East African Court of Justice, seeking to overturn the decision of the 7-judge Supreme Court bench upholding his impeachment as the Nairobi governor 2 years ago. Sonko is seeking interim orders to suspend the judgment of the Apex Court. But in the meantime, he's also asking the Supreme Court itself to review its decision that appeared to seal his political fate.
IBC should take that judicial notice that still there is a review in the Supreme Court. There is an appeal in the East African Court of Justice. He cannot be stopped.
But the IEBC is not waiting for any of the outcomes. The Commission has now moved to revoke its earlier clearance of Sonko to run for governor in Mombasa, saying the Supreme Court case has long-term implications. In a letter to Sonko, IEBC says, "You're therefore disqualified from holding any public office and thus disqualified from contesting and being elected as the governor of Mombasa County." But Sonko is putting up a spirited fight.
His fundamental rights of political freedoms have been infringed and have been curtailed by the decision that was made by the Supreme Court of Kenya, which decision we have seen was delivered within 24 hours of ruling.
Ni ana haki kwenda kujaribu justice kwingine. Lakini sheria itabaki bado sheria, kwa kwamba yale ambayo amesemwa hapa Kome amesema si yale mambo ya Kome kutoka mdomoni kwake, ni mambo ambayo ametoka kwenye sheria.
Sonko is still a young man. Hata miaka 5 hiyo ingine, Sonko can still vie as a governor either of Mombasa or Nairobi or any other place na achaguliwe, lakini kwanza lazima ashavise jina yake.
In his appeal in Arusha, Sonko will be seeking to convince the court of what he calls frustrations and unfair process.
Supreme Court imesema 5-judge bench. So nikaona niko safe, sitafanya application na Matakaru ajiondoe. Juu kwa bench majaji watano hayupo. Unaelewa? Asubuhi majaji wangu hujilazimisha kwenda kotini, tunapata Bathakome yako pale. Tukamwambia mama jiondoe kwa sababu wewe already ushaform opinion, akakataa. Kwa nini Supreme Court inaniambia majaji watakuwa 5? Mimi ndio nipate 7. Yule simtaki pia kwa pale.
We have instructions, very express instructions, to file a petition to JSC for removal of the CJ and any other judge who was involved in condonation of the abuse of the process.
In this case, the Attorney General, who is the respondent in the matter, is also required to file a response within 45 days in Arusha, failure to which the case will proceed to full hearing and determination.
Nitakuwa kwa debe.
Sheria
itaniruhusu kwa debe.
Haya, mwisho kabisa.
Supreme Court tumefanya kwa njia bandia.
Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa.